Hello everyone, it's the Retro Toy Box and welcome to the channel. My name is Kaylee and we will be doing another test run in this video, test run slash review of this Winnie-the-Pooh bear, this cute little Winnie-the-Pooh. And he's called a wiggly-nosed Winnie-the-Pooh bear. And he is one of my favorites. I actually have another one of him. I found this at an auction and I just decided to get him to share with you guys, to sell him for anyone who's interested. So if you are interested in him, I will have a link in the description below to my eBay store. So let's switch to the other camera and check him out. So here's Pooh.
Is that Winnie-the-Pooh?
Yes it is, Ogie.
I like him. He's my bro. What are you doing with him?
I am going to do a test run to show people that he works.
Who was talking with me the other day, so I'm sure he works fine.
Alright. Interesting. So, we're just taking a good look at him. Here's the tag. Trying to figure out where the camera is. I think my phone is upside down. And he's upside down. He will also come with a bag and possibly the instructions he came with, if I can find it. But he has his original bag he came in as well. I think he's on. I might have to turn him on. Yeah, I do. Oh, there we go.
Honey.
He's so cute. I love his wiggly nose.
Hello, friend.
So, I believe this is from 1997. I had one when I was little. He's around somewhere. I'm not selling him, but I found this in an auction house and I totally forgot he existed, and it just like unlocked a memory for me, so I had to buy him.
Honey.
So that's pretty much all he does. You just squeeze his tummy and he wiggles his nose. And he's in really nice condition, almost new. And he's loud and clear. I will be right back. I have the bag. I will show you that he will come in. So let me just go grab that and show you. So here's his original bag. Oh, 98. I was close. He's called Hug and Wiggle Pooh. Talking Plush. By Mattel. So that is it for the test run. If you are interested in purchasing this Winnie-the-Pooh, I will have a link in the description below to my eBay store. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.